Pa-process ko
Ini
kasi
di
ng mga IDs and
Philippine,
SSS.
bangunan historicalnya guys. Tuh.
Indonesia is jalan-jalan, right?
Yes,
Ya, jalan-jalan.
Yeah. Okay. The Intramuros, the meaning of Intramuros, sir, is intra means inside, muros is wall, inside the wall.
Inside the wall.
Intramuros. Yeah, inside the wall or within the wall.
Oh, I see.
How many hectares, kuya?
It's
Berapa?
64 hectares.
47 meter.
Hectares.
Yeah, 64.
Hektar guys. Ya.
And the wall, like the wall, it's 4.5 kilometer, ma'am, sir.
Oh,
So if you walk, it is in 7 hours.
need like 5 hour ya.
Yeah. This one, this white building, they called it Ayuntamiento de Manila. In the time of the Spanish, they call it Ayuntamiento de Manila, but now it's a Manila City Hall.
Oh, it's it's
But
the
now-
So this is the hall ya.
When we go down to the
Ayuntamiento de Manila.
Ayuntamiento.
Ayuntamiento.
Ayuntamiento de Manila, in English, is Manila City Hall.
I see.
Oh,
Oh, the security guard using the gun ya.
This is the Manila Cathedral. This is one of the biggest here inside Intramuros,
Oh.
and the oldest one is the San Agustin Church.
Saint Augustine.
Yeah, Saint
But
Augustine.
this is,
Can we go inside?
Yeah, we didn't go. Sir.
Oh, great. Nah guys, kita lagi di Intramuros. Ini tuh masih di kayak kalau di Bandung itu kayak di Asia Afrikanya guys. Nah ini kita ngunjungin satu gereja. Nah ini guys bangunannya. Oke. Nah saya bareng Jen. Nah ini di depan saya ada tour guide-nya ya guys ya. Orangnya baik banget. Di sini juga sama kayak di Indonesia guys.
This church is 8 times renovated because it's 7 times has been
Yeah, yeah,
damaged.
I have
because-
been here.
Yeah, on the first made of this church is made from bamboo.
From bamboo.
Yeah, and then it's been burned. And then the next one is made from cement, but it's always damaged by the earthquake. So this is the
Oh.
last
Yeah, this is the last renovation.
the last renovation.
I see. Wah, jadi guys ini gerejanya udah pernah 7 kali hancur, gempa bumi sama lain-lainnya ya. Pernah dibangun juga dari bambu guys. Gila ya, keren. Spiritnya tuh nggak pernah mati.
Celebrity and politician who can make wedding here because it's too expensive. For
Oh.
for people only, it's too expensive. But in the politician and the celebrities, it's okay. It's still fine.
who are the artists already?
Only the celebrity who made the wedding here is Sharon Cuneta, Gatti Concepcion, Aljur, and Kylie. All it has been broke. Nagiwalay.
Maybe you can someday.
Yes?
Maybe you can someday.
No, sir. I have no, I'm not married, but I have a partner for the partner. And I have a daughter who's 17 years old, only daughter.
Maybe your daughter can.
Oh, maybe.
I will pray for you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, sir, take off your
Okay.
cap. And then the bag. Stand.
Kita di bangunannya guys, ini gereja terbesar guys, salah satu di Filipina.
Saka yung ano yung pulang. Yung bahay.
Hindi ko siya natapos pero
Yung nakakala. Ano dito siya dito? Hanggang tayo sa dulo.
Wah, keren banget.
Sa Manila. Kapatuloy.
Ini gerejanya bukan gereja biasa guys. Desainnya keren banget ini.
Kasi makaluma siya ng ulit.
Nah guys, kita masih explore. Tuh guys, ini gerejanya luar biasa ya. Makasih Tuhan udah dikasih berkat segini banyak.
In the Philippines.
One of the famous ya.
Yeah, one of the famous.
Wow.
Manila Cathedral.
In Indonesia is nothing like this. This is
Okay.
better.
Yeah.
It's like they really preserve the design.
Yeah. In the Indonesia, what is the religion mostly?
Mostly is Muslim.
Muslim.
Yeah.
let's go kuya. Next.
Amazing guys.
As here is their condition is on.
Oke, kita lanjut guys. Nah, ini Jadi kalau teman-teman lihat juga banyak turis guys di sini. Jadi nggak cuman kita doang. Banyak turis guys. Dan ada tour guide-nya di sini. Ada patung guys. Jadi kalau kita liburan biasanya itu kita lebih sering ke tempat-tempat kayak gini guys. Kalau ke mall kan ya semua sama aja gitu. Kreatif ya.
Made from bamboo. They
Amazing.
called it bambike.
Bambike.
Yeah, bamboo bike. Short from bamboo bike. Bambike.
Nah, kita lanjut lagi guys. Jadi kalau kita jalan kaki guys, ya bisa butuh 5 jam atau setengah hari. Kalau pakai e-bike lebih
Parang
cepat.
ano rin, no? Parang
Spanish, Netherlands,
yeah.
Ya,
Dutch.
Indonesia with Netherlands.
Ano po yan?
Kilala niyo yung tatlong pare? Yung
Opo.
Padre
Bursa?
Jose
Burgos.
Burgos.
Sa Burgos, dito siya nakatira. Sa mga, yung Burgos.
Is a house?
Opo.
It's a house of the prison before. A priest.
Oh.
A priest before.
Like a
Oh, of the
Yeah,
priest.
a priest.
No, before like during the colonies.
I see.
So,
It's still
It's been renovated. It's make a museum.
bangunannya punya pendeta, tapi lagi direnovasi.
Naintindihan mo rin ito mo, may English ka na rin, you know?
awo.
The language is almost similar ya,
Yeah.
almost the same.
And the face. It's
Yeah, and the
almost
face
same
also the
Indonesia,
same.
Yeah. Indonesian and Filipino, almost the same.
Kuya, parang
And then, ma'am, this is the La Castellana.
La
This is the
Castellana.
number one wedding reception.
oh, wedding.
After your wedding in the cathedral, this is the wedding reception, number one
Oh,
wedding
the reception.
Yeah. And this one is the La Cathedral Cafe.
Oh,
Most famous
cafe.
on TikTok, on Instagram, because if you cafe, the background is the Manila Cathedral at the back. It's the museum of the Chinese and the Filipino. They call it Bahay Chinoy. Chi for Chinese, Noy is for Pinoy. Chinoy.
Chinoy, Bahay Chinoy, like museum.
Oh, if
Museum
Indonesia
of
we call it
Chinese in the
Cindo.
Philippine, like yeah,
In
Chindo.
Philippines,
Chindo.
Chinoy.
Chinoy. Indonesia, Cindo.
Yeah,
So it's
Chinese and Hindu.
Yeah. Hey guys,
I'm Jen. Okay, so here.
yeah.
This is the memory of Manila. Memory of victim of the World War II.
Mm-hmm.
Has been cremated because there's no cemetery open on that time on the time of the World War II. So the 100,000 victim of the World War II has been cremated, all the 100 here, and then cremated. No, ma'am, nandito na to sa. And then we have a time capsule at the back, so we go to the back.
Oh, we can see the time capsule.
Time capsule, ma'am, sir, to be opened on February 18, 2045, because the war has finished from by the date of February 18, 1945. It's 100 years. When the time is come, they open it, then all the ashes and the letters and the memorabilia take out and go to the Manila Cathedral, bless, and then put it back again. It's a big it's a one big event on this time when the time is come. And then after this time, another 100 years again.
Oh, every 100
Every
years.
100 years. Every century.
This,
Yeah.
They bless it.
Yeah,
Church and put it.
put it back.
Oh, I see.
Katulad ng Ermita,
Register
Intramuros, Malate,
massacred on the time of
Pasay,
the World War II.
Tabo, Nagdaanan.
Many
Massacred
side
by
of
They
Mga
Japanese
mga bahay,
Massacre
Massacre.
Japanese
Pinahagop ng
during
mga
Japanese
Hapon at pag pinabutan ng tao,
colonization.
pinapatay nila
These
nila.
all
So, nung panahon
the
ng
places
mga
inside
Hapon,
the Manila.
They
nagahasa po
they
nila pag
killed all the people in that place.
It's almost the same like in Indonesia.
In the time, so that's the 100,000.
So, yun nangyari.
The 100,000 dead body.
From all the
Kung mga monumento na to,
places.
sir, meron po
all the
tayong
places.
So, ma'am, sir, this is the Manila, before the war.
Oh,
So beautiful.
this time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
before
time. And this is the Manila, the time of the war and after the war. This is Intramuros, the time of the war, after the war. Intramuros is 98% totally wiped out because
Clean.
yeah, because the American bombed all the
Like nuclear, yeah.
no, not nuclear,
Like bombing.
Yeah, the bombing. Because the Japanese armed forces are inside in the Intramuros. They build headquarters here in the Intramuros. So 98%. Why 98%? Because the 2% is this one who survived the World War II. Because the San Agustin Church.
Oh, the San
Yeah,
Agustin.
the San Agustin Church is celebrating for 154 years. And the Manila Cathedral is 444. Yeah, 10 years older.
Oh
10
yeah.
years old.
That is our independence,
No,
1945 in Indonesia.
Oh, you're independent.
Independent.
Yeah.
This reading, why did American did not burn the San Agustin? Because they put a red cross.
Oh.
The time of the war, if you have the red cross, it means medical facilities or hospital.
Yeah, cannot be.
So that's why they
Yeah, yeah.
did not put the
Yeah.
Now is
because of the time of the Japanese, sir, if you're a woman, you have your baby, the baby took to you.
you're taken by.
You're taken by the Japanese and then throw it in the air. And you know the rifle of the
Oh,
Japanese.
yeah.
Oh, they shoot it?
No,
Oh, with the bayonet?
Bayonet. They hold.
Oh, they throw it in like.
Yeah, by the bayonet. So that's why the baby had a wound.
She even cannot kill an ant. See?
No, if the woman after the fetus was died, the woman has been raped and
Rape.
raped. After the rape, they go to the torture chamber, like they call it Baluarte San Diego. In Watchtower before, there it's full of water. So all the women after raped by the Japanese, they throw it on the maze. So if you can swim, you shoot by the Japanese or
That
throw,
is
throw your
torture.
knife. General Douglas MacArthur. And this is like one of the Japanese soldier. And this is the time of the World War II here in the Philippines and Venezuela. And this all the people has been running, evacuated, running for their lives.
Running for their life.
This one. And this one is the Manila Cathedral. The one I told you photos.
The first.
The first church. This after the battle. After the World War II. And this is all the died people too. They put it together because it's someone is a decomposition. So there's no name, no age.
Yeah.
So
No
they put it
data.
all- And this one, all the wounded, and all the museum, National Museum, ma'am, has been crushed. The time of the World War II. So there's no win. There's no win. No one who can win with the war.
Kita lanjut lagi guys. Tadi kita diceritain ya. Sadis banget guys. Jadi ada satu cara kayak pembantaian kayak guys ya di penjajahan Jepang. Ah itu gila guys. Nanti saya ceritain ya. Nah guys ini tuh sekolah ya. Jadi katanya salah satu pahlawan di sini sekolahnya di sini guys. Namanya Rizal. Teman-teman ada yang namanya Rizal di sini boleh komen. Keren banget ya guys ya. Biasanya kan kalau kita ya kebanyakan kalau orang liburan itu kan nyarinya ke mall. Kalau kita senangnya jalan-jalan gini guys, malah kadang jarang makan gitu. Dulu sekolah ya ini guys. Foto-foto dulu guys. Nah jadi teman-teman kalau misalnya liburan, coba lihat historical buildingnya guys. Ya, jangan cuma cari ke mallnya aja. Nggak salah juga guys. Tapi kalau bisa biar tahu sejarahnya kotanya tuh kayak gimana guys. Ya. Nah ini kita masih panjang guys journey-nya. Kita bakal cari-cari tempat lagi guys. Ya, stay tune terus. San Agustin.
Yeah.
This is the oldest church, right?
Yeah, oldest church in Philippines and whole Asia.
Whole Asia.
Yeah. The last time, this two-tower bell. When the earthquake came, the big one came, it's been crushed. So that's why the one of the put inside. And did you see this one? The new Pope?
The new Pope.
Yeah. Pope Leo has been a priest inside of the San Agustin because he was an Augustinian priest. He's a pare ng San Agustin. They had a UNESCO World Heritage Site
Yeah.
because celebrating 454.
Oh, can I see?
I take the po ako for your city.
Ada UNESCO-nya guys. Keren.
Lagi lang kayo mag-picture.
World Heritage Site.
Intramuros City of Manila.
Kuya.
Amazing guys. Nih gerejanya kayak gini guys.
Picture, we put it in the...
The tomb ya.
On the left
The
side.
gold.
Yeah, on the left side. Why this, ma'am? Why? Ang one po. It's take by 1700, I think, or 18.
So they paint again yeah.
Yeah. The national painter in the Philippines.
I see.
Juan Luna.
Yeah, I know Philippines is the best
Painter.
painter.
Ano man sir?
We can go in. Amazing yeah. Look the ceiling.
The oldest church in Philippines and in Asia. Oldest.
And the founder of Manila, Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, his tomb is on the left side of the altar.
Can we pray or
Yeah, you can pray. So if you go to the inside of the museum, you can go inside of his tomb.
what in the center? That is the tomb yeah.
Yeah, on the left
The
side.
gold
Yeah, on the left side.
on the left side.
As you can see, the oldest bamboo organ in the Philippines.
The oldest bamboo.
Bamboo organ. Like a piano.
Yeah.
This one.
Oh.
The time of this time.
I listen?
No.
Or maybe in the
We can go to the museum. We can go.
Yeah,
upstairs. We can take a picture, but
yeah cannot.
no sounds.
Maybe it's broken or something.
Yeah, it's broken down. Why there's this here? Because there's no speaker in the time of the.
Also they speak there.
So they can speak there, and the voice can get to the last.
I
row.
see. Because it's echoing yeah, until
Yeah,
there.
sorry. The elevation is much high.
Yeah. Nah itu guys piano dari bambu ya, yang tertua. Amazing. Nah ini ada belnya guys.
Bell of the Moon. So they bump it, right?
No, it's been crushed by the earthquake.
Been
Oh,
crushed
because
by the
earthquake.
1880.
Then one of it got destroyed away with the bell.
So the bell is
So there's only one thousand per
one tower bell.
one tower bell.
Thank you for the church.
So crafted by hand.
Carving by the
It's
hand.
been a
Wow.
Long years.
time.
It's, I think it's 450.
Like
From colonized.
colonization is already 300
Yeah.
something, right?
Ini umurnya udah tua banget guys. Ini mungkin udah maybe
Older
500 years ya.
Older than my father.
Maybe around 500 years or
500.
Yeah, 500, yeah.
550.
550.
Because the church is 454.
I see. Kita masuk museumnya guys. Banyak lukisan ya, tuh teman-teman lihat. Salah satu kunci guys, kenapa saya bisa ngalamin ini. Satu guys, banyakin bersyukur, banyakin ucapin terima kasih.
This one is this is Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, the founder of Manila. This is the painting. This piece.
The one who found Manila.
I thought Frank Magellan. Frank.
No, it's Magellan. Is the
Oh the founder ya.
the exploration.
Yeah, exploration.
Yeah.
It's different. Ini ada ceritanya guys. Kalau dijelasin lama videonya. Kita lanjut aja.
Acapulco, Mexico, going to cross all the the country.
Mexico to Philippines.
Mexico to Philippines.
Yeah, the Mexico to the Philippines. But then, before we go to the Manila, to the Philippines, they kasama sa mga very spices.
Yeah, the thread, yeah.
Spices.
Nah, jadi dulu guys,
The cinnamon.
ya,
Cinnamon, is that one?
I also eat that.
Pepper.
Yeah.
All the spices. Tradings.
Yeah.
Ginger, pepper, we use it for food.
Yeah.
So they went to Asian countries for the spices.
This is called barya in the Philippines. Coins.
The coin,
Variakon.
They call it barya in the Philippines.
Barian.
Yeah, barya.
Variak.
Sir, as you can see, why the pineapple is on the center? Because the pineapple is the one of the favorite of the Spanish. Pronunciation is Philippines, but the Maharlika said, no, it's Philippines. So that's why until now it's called Philippines.
Now I know the meaning of Philippine.
Yeah.
It's Philip from Philip.
The King Philip.
King Philip and the pineapple.
Because he likes pineapple.
Tamannya bagus banget guys, lihat tuh. Kayak di mana gitu.
There's a garden.
It's exotic.
Yeah. These are all the carving.
Carabin.
Yeah, leather carving.
So they are craving detail ya.
Yeah. It's almost also detailed.
Hmm.
Detailed one.
I understand why Philippines create Voltus.
Yeah. But before, the eyes on the
Mackerel ya. Wah. Oh, this is the tomb.
The tomb of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi.
Yeah.
Miguel Lopez de Legazpi,
The founder of
the Alentado. They called it Al Alentado. First leader in the Philippines in the time of the Spanish. They call it Governor General.
Oh,
Governor General.
Governor of General.
Governor General. He is the first one. So that's why he was one of the leaders. He's the leader. So that's why his tomb is on the side of the altar.
Ah.
Parang paggalang. All this stair.
Hmm.
It's a beautiful one. You can see that, sir,
Yeah.
in the top.
Kayak masuk istana guys. Ini kayaknya kalau malam serem guys. Ya nggak sih?
This is pinagkakainan ng mga kanin. Dining area of the feast.
dining area of the priest.
Yung mga artist na naman, yung pag naglalakbay sila naman. Pag naglalakbay sila, parang ang tawag yung gamit na ngayon, pag namamasyal, pag aalis tayong bansa,
Oh, like luggage.
yeah, luggage.
Oh, yes.
Just luggage.
Oh, old luggage,
Yeah,
With phones.
like for traveling. It's like that.
yeah, when you're traveling. And this one, sir. This is made from China.
Oh,
You see the people?
yeah. It's like dynasty.
Yeah, like a chin.
Yeah,
It's the chessboard before.
I see.
Oh, nag-suggest na sila before.
Ada catur guys. Yeah, it's like I'm watching Robin Hood.
So that's how Japanese are really.
The one who likes the
They don't really respect the
Made from wood. Made carving.
From the wood.
Yeah, made from wood. Carving. Like gallium. Made from wood.
Even the lifeboat
Yeah.
from wood. Kotinya juga pakai ini kan, kayu.
Emang
Gimana guys, seru? Ini adventure-nya masih panjang guys ya. Filipino ceramic.
yeah, Filipino ceramics. Made by the Filipino. Like this one. Sir.
Oh, they have crafting.
Did you know yung may tala tumang sa
Like the tattoo ya.
yeah, it's like this one.
Oh, the famous ano.
Yeah. Bangud.
Yeah. They use like this.
Yeah, tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
This is the Filipino and
This there is China. And this one, no, sir. This is also Filipino. On this mountain province, mountain people of northern Luzon, they
worship.
sila naniniwala sa mga Diyos. Kumbaga ito yung
Yeah, that is what they worship.
Their God?
yeah, this is the God on the time of the.
Oh,
But now, they are also a Catholic now.
I see.
After Magellan Catholicism, right? So
And then this one is made from bag.
ano to, yung dynasty?
Yeah, mga Chinese naman. Lalo na ito from Chinese na to. Kasi ang mga Chinese meron sa mga Phoenix, Dragon. Kaya yung mga ano nila, yung mga gawa nila. Pero ganyan.
Pero ito matagal na, it's older. Maybe older than
Yeah.
100 years.
So, this is Japan.
Oh, Japan.
Nilalagyan siya ng mga, they put some flowers.
Okay.
They like arranging flowers.
Yeah, like that one.
Ya. Jadi ini banyak guys, nggak cuma dari Filipina aja ya, ada yang dari Jepang nih guys, Jepang. Ada yang dari Cina juga. Jadi ini kayak persilangan gitu guys. Dan ini sejarah-sejarah awalnya guys.
Plato.
This is from the Chinese.
Yeah. Italian, like that one. Base.
The silverware.
From,
Porcelain.
Porcelain, yeah.
you don't like the dynasty thing?
King, Ming, Yuan,
King Ming.
Yuan Song,
It's like
Dynasty.
first name or dynasty.
Yeah, like
Oh yeah,
duration. Like,
Ming Dynasty. Ya.
ito siya. These are those what they use.
First is this one, Song Dynasty. And then Yuan, Ming, and then King.
This is the first.
This is the first.
I used to memorize that for my AP. Araling Panlipunan.
Marami pa dito. Yun. And then, tapos natalo ko kamo kasi ako nag-set sa Pilipinas ko natalo ko. China and the Philippines.
So I think Philippines is combination of Chinese, of Muslim, and Spanish.
You know,
They mix it.
the first one is Spanish,
The
and
first.
then American.
Yeah,
and then
American,
Japanese.
Japanese.
And then, again, American help the Filipino to be free on the Japanese. So, American go back again.
Like to save, yeah.
Yeah, to make a war, to conquer again the Philippines.
Yeah, yeah.
Make war in the Japan.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the word.
You know, the first is 300 years by the Spanish.
Mm-hmm.
And then, I think it's some 30 years by the American. Spanish sell the Philippines to American for 100 million.
Oh,
Yeah, 100 million dollar.
Oh, that's why they left.
$1 million only, $1 million.
That's why they left the
Yeah,
country.
country.
mungkin teman-teman yang ngerti Inggris ngerti ya. Jadi ini sejarahnya panjang guys. Pertama dijajah dulu sama Spain, terus tiba-tiba ada Amerika, terus tiba-tiba entah gimana Spanish orang Spanyol tuh ngejual negara Filipina ke Amerika guys. Ya, jadi wow.
Here's a Ilocos.
So this is all the church in the all province ya.
And the
Yeah,
province in the whole Philippines.
In the Philippines, Augustinian. So there is 300 cities. And you want to take Manila.
Nih guys, mau lihat lagi tamannya, asik ya. Tuh. Gimana guys, seru? Maaf kalau misalnya kameranya goyang ya guys ya, kita masih pakai alat seadanya. Dengan subscribe dari teman-teman, saya akan bikin lebih baik lagi, lebih bagus lagi. Jadi teman-teman nontonnya lebih enjoy ya.
This is the songbook.
Oh,
This is the songbook of the choir.
for the piano ya?
Yeah, the piano for the choir.
Oh,
It's
It's too big.
it's like for Nephilim.
It's in Spanish, yeah. No?
Spanish po ako kadalasan. Kasi nung panahon mo, Spanish talaga nagkasumuno.
It's like the book of Goliath.
And dito naman nilalagay.
Fire. Then yung parang
Shelf books na, shelf.
shelf niya.
Yeah, shelf, bookshelf.
It's big, yeah.
Sa fire book.
Fire.
It's like not for human.
No, kasi mas malayo sila
It's
eh.
too far.
Yeah.
So parang, unlike now, there is already power projector.
Yeah.
Ah.
And this
From
one.
there.
The choir is here. Sit here, the choir.
Oh, the choir singing here.
Oh my God, it's my personal facility.
So this, like I told you, so this is the first bamboo organ.
Can I see the note?
This is the note. The note.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And he play here.
Yeah, play here. Tap.
Oh, they touch the, they tap it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
that is the piano and they
Yeah.
tap like that. Not the...
Not one.
Hey guys, ini pianonya siapa yang bikin? Gila ini guys.
But the first bamboo in the last village.
Jadi teman-teman, nah ini tuh tempat mereka nyanyinya di sini guys. Mereka nyanyi, terus ini pianonya guys. Nah, ini pianonya. Saya penasaran yang bikin pianonya siapa ya? Nah kita ada di atasnya guys ya. Ini gerejanya di bawah tuh. Ya. Bagus banget. Nah, jadi ini gerejanya di bawah gitu guys. Lihat bagian atasnya guys. Guys, keren banget.
This is only
Medical plant then.
Make it a medicine for all the Filipino in the time of the
So sometimes if we see a plant in the garden, it can be a plant, medicine. Yeah.
Like this one, sir.
Jadi kalau teman-teman lihat mungkin di rumahnya teman-teman ada kayak tanaman gitu ya, bisa jadi itu obat guys.
Yeah, before this is the medicine like this.
He is a pharmacist. But he is a priest also.
Oh, like the pharmacist. Yeah.
Give medicine.
Hmm.
Yeah, very-
They all make from the plant. Yeah.
this one, sir.
Oh, they
Like
mix
that,
it.
Yeah, herbal medicine like that one.
Yeah, we also drink that almost every day, like ginger,
Ginger. Yeah.
turmeric, pepper,
This is the names.
cinnamon.
The name right. Like the name.
Ah,
This is how it looks like.
they even draw it. Eh.
Yeah.
Ayun na ito, 1 month lang yata ay nailagay sa ano. Nailagay sa... Ano naman? British colony.
British colony.
For only 1 month.
What?
We've been colonized by British for 1 month. I didn't know, friend.
Only 1 month?
Yeah,
Only you knew America,
Yeah.
Spaniards, and Japanese, and I didn't know.
I just know it.
Yeah, me too. Just 1 month.
only 1 month. So that's why
Sa banta.
in the history there's no written by the history.
Mhm.
Because it's only 1 month.
Yeah.
But there are like evidence.
Yeah.
People do this.
Guys, saya juga baru tahu ternyata Filipina pernah dijajah sama Inggris. Nih guys, ada buktinya. Tapi cuma 1 bulan aja guys. Ya. So long time ago it's like this.
Yeah, on the time of the Spanish.
This is how it looks like the pavement.
So maybe if we go to Spain will be like this ya. Maybe ya.
Yeah, if this is historical.
Makin kesini makin takjub guys. Ini bangunannya gila guys. Ini kayak saya masuk ke zaman dulu rasanya guys. Luar biasa guys. Teman-teman harus ke Filipina, harus ke Intramuros. Bener-bener dapat banget autentik klasik bangunan kuno jadulnya tuh kerasa banget guys. Saya ngerasa kayak ada di tahun 1900 berapa gitu guys, atau 1800 berapa mungkin. Keren, keren. Dan masih terawat dengan baik guys. Tuh lihat.
Wala pala may uwan doon, ha?
Yeah.
President of the Philippines.
The last one is Duterte. And the
Duterte.
first one is Emilio Aguinaldo.
Oh.
But former
Former current
current president, there's no picture because
Still in
the
term.
term is ongoing. So after this term, they put the place here.
So that is his father nasa ito.
Presiden-presiden di Filipina guys.
16.
Ada 16 orang. Yang terakhir tuh Duterte ya.
Duterte.
The first one is
Emilio
Emilio
Aguinaldo.
Aguinaldo.
The first president. Emilio Aguinaldo. Youngest?
youngest. Ngayon.
Opo. Yun po yung last na na-visit.
This is the university inside the City College in Manila.
University.
Yeah.
This is still university until now?
Yeah,
Still a university.
still university.
Oh.
Still, apa?
But before, it's a compound of the priest.
Before it's a compound of the prison.
I see.
Like where they stay. So the people in here before Intramuros are the richest people. You cannot live in Intramuros if you are
Rich people.
Only for rich people.
Yeah.
poor.
So we all rich.
Yeah.
Ano to?
It's the Baluarte San Gentleman.
Oh,
Baluarte.
Yeah.
entrance. Oh, this one.
Like I told you, this torture chamber before. This is for anti-aircraft. You know the aircraft of the American?
Yeah.
This one,
Anti-ship missile ya?
yeah,
Or cannon.
anti-aircraft.
Mas magagets niya yan.
Anti-aircraft.
Anti
Oh, because before they have
Oh,
the warship
the warship.
it's from there ya?
is from there, so it's pointing for there. The movement of this one is up and down.
Oh, okay.
How to control it?
Control it is here.
Oh, like this.
Like this one.
Yeah, I know.
And this is the original, di ba?
The original. The cannon, what do you call it? The ammunition.
Yeah, ammunition.
Fit in here. So, boom.
The impact
Yeah,
should
the
be
Manila.
guys, ini tuh namanya anti-shift cannon ya, meriam untuk tembak dari sana tuh guys. Jadi di sini pertahanannya gila ya guys ya. Ini benar-benar saya bisa megang langsung guys. Tuh. Luar biasa. Keren banget, keren.
There is no cement. Because in the time of the Spanish, there is no cement.
Ya,
How to fix it? They mix egg white,
using egg white,
and they call it volcanic ash.
Volcanic
or
ash.
apog in Tagalog. They mix it and put in the
Like
side.
glue.
Yeah, like a glue.
Oh, ya ya ya.
Egg
Yeah.
and that. I was. These are like the holes.
Bullet marks, and the big one is a cannon holes or cannon ball.
Jadi ini bekas cannon semua, tembakan guys,
And the little one is a bullet.
bullet ya. Dan yang kecil-kecil peluru guys, serem ya. Tuh.
During the war.
There's no cement.
Nggak pakai semen guys ini guys. Jadi pakai telur guys, putih telur sama kayak vulkanik apa gitu tadi guys. Luar biasa ya.
Morala.
Murala.
Morala means wall.
Oh, artinya ini murala itu dinding guys, semuanya sampai sana. Ya ada murala.
Yeah,
Yeah.
morala.
So look how big that is.
Look nah ini guys, ini bekas cannon ya pak.
Yeah, cannon.
Cannon and bullets.
Bullet.
The bigger one cannon. So this is not renovated. This is
Yeah.
the original.
Ini bekas semua tembakan peluru sama missile guys atau cannon ya sebutannya. Itu semua bolong-bolong semua ya tuh guys. Kebayang nggak seberapa sadisnya gitu?
You see that, sir? That's the gun of the Japanese, and the rifle, yung dulo ma'am ng rifle yun po yung mga haba.
Oh, the one the baby daddy.
Yeah.
Oh, that is a cell frame.
Tignan mo ma'am yung pinakapinto niya ma'am. You see the door, sir? Inside?
Oh, yeah. That is a cell.
Ya.
Prison cell, Japanese prison cell. The time of the Japanese, all the Filipino and the American soldier has captured by the Japanese, they put inside the jail. Japanese
Yeah.
prison cell.
Penjara Jepang guys. Itu terus yang teman-teman lihat itu senjatanya tuh guys. Ya senjata yang dipakai sama orang Jepang di Filipina pas lagi perang. Serem guys, kerasain ngerasa banget ngerinya.
Was made by the Chinese.
Oh,
Because the Chinese live inside the Intramuros. They work from the Spanish to do this wall. That is the way of they paying the taxes from the Spanish.
Funny.
Hmm.
So they work, they labor. So,
Morala, the signage.
Yeah.
That is the original signage on the top.
oh yeah. But, oh
The
yeah.
time of the Spanish, that's the signage of Morala.
Really Morala.
Ya.
The original one. This one.
Was it church?
Just check before. Maganda lang kung dito mga ano.
Nah ini dulunya gereja guys, Lady of Lourdes. Nih guys.
First souvenir shop.
Pilipinas.
Wow,
Souvenir. So,
a lot of
Filipino made. I need to put my bag.
souvenir gift.
You can go.
Ya. It's about transformation. Maybe I will become like that also.
She said this is souvenir shop.
Nah ini teman-teman, kita ada di souvenir shopnya ya, tempat buat beli oleh-oleh.
Filipino made.
Ini Filipina semua guys tuh, bambunya, desainnya tuh sama kayak waktu itu saya di Mall of Asia ya. Nah ini yang bikinnya semua orang Filipina guys. Orang Filipina tuh kalau yang saya perhatiin, yang saya pelajari sampai sana tuh mereka suka sama desain, keindahan, seni ya, ngegambar itu mereka suka guys.
Yes, painters.
Dan apa ya, ada perasaan susah ngejelasinnya ya guys ya, tapi kayak ngerasa ini deeper banget gitu. Oh, Indonesia we call batik.
Batik in here like this.
Towel lang dito sa atin. Gibla.
Opo. Placemat for eating bread. So Philippine design. 400 set of 6. Gutom na kanina. Bidin, ate, gutom na.